Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're going to solve some shop infrastructure problems. So when I come out here and I light my burner up before I get my wood stove going, if it's like half or maybe a quarter left in there, it doesn't like to work. It can't vaporize the propane fast enough in order to blow it out. And then when it's been running a while, it kind of freezes up even if there's a lot in there, and it stops pushing out a lot of heat. So we're going to build a box, an insulated box with a core to plug in to be able to heat that as we're using it. Now, I got this that it came with my house. I saw it years ago and I thought maybe I'll use it one day, and here we are. It is way longer than I thought, so hopefully I can utilize everything and wrap it around. I think it's supposed to be for, it's got to be like 20 feet long of just heated crap. I think it's supposed to keep the ice dams off your house, but we're going to repurpose it and put it into a insulated box. We got insulation. We're going to use some hardboard. We're going to cut it up, make the box as small as we can, and then drink beer. Yes. Let's get started. So first thing I'm doing is I'm cutting down some hardboard. It's just what I had. I was going to use it for something else, but I have been to the wood store in a while, so just cut it down. And what I'm doing is just some random spray adhesive. I think this is Super 77. I ran out of that, and then I used just my basic stuff. Anything will work for this. Let it dry to a tack. I'm trying to read the directions. Make sure I get a good tack on it. It doesn't have to be that good. I mean, it's going to foam. Then you dance a little bit. That's fun. And there, we got it. All right, we got it cut out. We got it glued on. I used some Super 77 spray adhesive. It's gonna work just fine, probably. I'm making all this up. Don't ever take these as actual how-tos. Let me do the screwing up. You guys do it better in a different way. All right. Propane tank's on here. I'll give you guys a gist of what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to build the other walls, and I'll bring you back in for assembly because you guys are phone hogs. I don't want to listen to music. I don't have a camera yet. You're just going to have to trust me on how I built this one. All the other ones are going to look the same. See, hardboard there. We got the inside. I'm going to foil tape it. I'll bring you guys in for that. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to build walls that go on here. The top will bring you in for. What I'm going to do is it's going to come down to about here. It's just going to sit on there, leaving this area exposed, this area encased in the heating, and then we can still lift it up and all that and attach our hoses, and then if it leaks, it's not leaking in there. Propane, electricity spark, and we all die. We don't want that, so that's going to be how. I'm just going to build 4 more walls. I'm going to attach them with some just liquid nails and more spray adhesive and crap. Nothing crazy. Just fixing a problem I have. I can already see there's a brand new tank over here. I don't know if you see, this is on full blast. 125,000 BTU. I'm standing right in front of it. That should be a lot hotter. That tank I just turned on an hour ago. Nice and frosty. So that's what we're trying to prevent, is this slowdown. All right. We'll see you guys in 0.2 seconds. All right, you filthy animals. I figured out how to film and listen to music without you hearing it when I do hyperlapse. I brought a tablet out that has internet, and I connect that. I should have thought of that before, but yeah, I drink. All right, bring you in. I got all my insulation glued onto the boards. I got the bottom cut, the side cut. It'll sit like that. Then the other one will go here. And this one on this side. Now we just do fast hyperlapse. You guys can watch everything. And if I accidentally chop my finger off, then you'll be here to see it. So let's build stuff. Let's do that. Not cut my finger off, but let's build this box. This heat-a-majigger, this heat thing isn't working. There must be some sort of I'm guessing this is a temperature probe to tell it to turn on or off. We have 42 degrees in here right now, so it's nice and warm. I'm guessing that's why this isn't turning on. I don't know, but once I wrap it up in there, that might change. Who knows? We'll see. I mean, maybe that'll be a good thing if it turns on and off on a sensor. If I put it right up against the propane tank, it'll tell me if it's cold and it just keep it going. If not, I'll pull apart some other heating elements and put it in there. All right. Yeah, so now we're putting the box together. I just used some construction adhesive. This isn't going to be moved. It's just basically for your shop. It's not something that's going to be, I mean, it'll be portable, but not extremely portable. I'm just making it for my shop so I can have 20-pound propane and I can run them out to the end. I have tested it and I can run it right down to the end, even if it's -30 out. So, which helps. Now I'm just putting on some aluminum tape on the bottom. I was going to do the sides, but I didn't. So, I just did the bottom, then I realized I didn't need to. So I had cut the sides down so they all fit on there, and strapped them together. Just a simple box. I mean, anyone can make it. Drink beer. Look at him go. He's so fast. Ooh, another beer. So I'm just cutting the sides down so I can rest everything on there. Glue it on, tape it up. Your basic bitch box. This blue tape, I always have blue tape in your shop. There's a few things, blue tape. Thing I need to get is a hair dryer. Hair dryers are awesome for painting. So maybe I always try to get a hair dryer, but blue tape is a good thing. I'm just cutting this top down. Not sure if I show the next. And now I'm just going to cut out the top. So the top sits out through so I can connect the propane. And I didn't want the propane connection inside the box because you don't want, if there's a leak in anything, it probably isn't, but it's better be safe than sorry. You want your, anywhere the propane tank's going to leak, you want that outside the box. Well, here we go. Yeah, that's it. It was just supposed to be a simple box. I was going to foil it all, but I think that's it. I forgot to buy hinges, but I put this on there, rounded it off. This goes over the top. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my propane tank, put it in there. I'm going to curl this thing up in there. I'll attach it on the wall later, but I just want to see if it works before I go attaching stuff. So we'll see if this works, and hopefully when you see this video, you'll know that it does work. Yep. All right, so just testing here. I took the thing that I thought was a sensor and I shoved it outside here, and now the cord's heating up, so we're gonna see if this heats up inside here, and then we'll know that's our problem, and I can either take that sensor out or adjust it or just get something new. But we're gonna see if that works. We got the propane tank in there. Nice box, it's insulated. A lot of, there's like 15 feet of cord in there. So we'll see if it heats it up. And see if that works. I think it will, but yeah, there's the setup. Just something for your shop. Now, that's the kerosene one, but that's expensive to heat. That's why we use this. And you can see, I mean, it's barely going. That's almost a full tank there. So we'll see if we can't make it work better. Yeah, well, be a while for me, but maybe see you guys in half a second.